Question is asking sum of squares of eccentricities of the conics. So basically, if you see this particular conic section is an ellipse. This particular conic section, if you see, it's a hyperbola. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the sum of squares of eccentricity of the ellipse and eccentricity of the hyperbola. This is equal to what is the question asked. Is it okay? So now we'll compare this with the, look here, this here, if you can see here, 4 is greater than 3, right? So I'll compare with the x square by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1, regular ellipse. So this implies to me that a square is equal to 4, therefore a is equal to 2, b square is equal to 3, therefore b is equal to root 3. A square is equal to b square plus c square. A square is 4, that is equal to 3 plus c square. 1 is equal to c square, c is equal to 1. So eccentricity of the ellipse is nothing but c divided by a. What is the value of c divided by a? 1 divided by 2. This is the eccentricity of the ellipse. Alright. So here what you do, you compare this hyperbola directly with the standard hyperbola. That is nothing but x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. This implies a square is equal to 4, therefore a is equal to 2, b square is equal to 3, therefore b is equal to root 3. Now the relation between a square, b square and c square in the case of a hyperbola is like this. A square is equal to b square, a square plus b square is c square. You can understand here the relation. These two are two important things in the case of a ellipse and a hyperbola. Is it okay? These two things you should know correctly. So a square is 4 plus 3, that is equal to c square. So what is the value of c square is equal to root 7. So c is equal to root 7. So eccentricity of the hyperbola, that is equal to c by a. So what is the answer that we get? Root 7 divided by 2. So now what you do, this is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. Now square and add, you will get 1 by 4 plus what is it? 7 by 4, which is equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to what answer? 2 is the answer to the question.